Over the last 11 years, under the decisive leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, the central government has worked continuously to realize the resolve of Viksit Kerala, Viksit Bharat.
केरला का विकास होगा तो भारत का विकास और तेज होगा.
Taking forward the holistic development of Kerala, God's own country. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji will mark a transformational milestone through key initiatives in infrastructure, welfare and rail connectivity in the state. Today, the Prime Minister launched credit cards and disbursed loans to 1 lakh beneficiaries under the PM Swanidhi scheme, a step that will empower street vendors, strengthen livelihoods and expand financial inclusion across grassroots communities. Further, the Prime Minister laid the foundation stone for the CSI RNIIST Innovation, Technology and Entrepreneurship Hub to strengthen Kerala's research and innovation ecosystem. The Prime Minister also laid the foundation stone for the Radiosurgery Centre at Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology, a landmark facility. It will deliver highly precise, minimally invasive treatment for complex neurological disorders and strengthen advanced tertiary healthcare in the region. The Prime Minister also inaugurated the new Pujapura Head Post Office building to ensure easier access to essential services and to further improve and strengthen postal operations. Rail connectivity remains central to this transformational journey. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji will flag off 4 new train services, including 3 Amrit Bharat Express trains and 1 passenger train, significantly enhancing long-distance and regional connectivity across southern India. These Amrit Bharat Express trains will strengthen rail connectivity along the west coast, linking Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, while boosting tourism, trade and affordable long-distance travel. These trains are modern, non-AC long-distance trains designed to provide affordable, comfortable and seamless travel. And the passenger train will improve daily connectivity for commuters and pilgrims, ensuring smoother access to key religious and urban centers. Together, these initiatives reflect the Government of India's unwavering commitment to inclusive growth, infrastructure-led development and people-centric empowerment in the state.